Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In today's video, I want to go over the Trade 5 app and the new feature that I just added, and that is multiple accounts with your app. So as you can see from my trading dashboard, I have here at the top, it says select account, and these are just 3 accounts that I've added. And so that is the new feature. So to add an account, go up to your menu in the top left, click on accounts, and you can see I have 3 accounts that I've listed. If you want to add an account, just tap this bank icon down in the bottom right corner. You add your account name, any notes that you want, and click on submit. All right, so if you don't want an account anymore, just tap on your account and then you can delete that account if you want to, or you can edit the name or the notes as needed. All right, so coming back here, however many accounts you add here, as you go back to the dashboard, that will display across the top. Each of these accounts will now control the dashboard and all of the top 5 tickers, trade types, and other stats on your dashboard, and then you can still select the month that you want to see your stats on. So if you open a trade, so click on the plus icon, and I just have a short call here. Now you have a selector that will choose from the accounts that you have set up. If you don't see this selector, this drop-down menu called account, it's probably because you don't have an account added to your app. So you'll have to get that added first before you can see it here. All right. Now, if you need to, you can go into your old trades or your open trades, and then you can see that you can now add your account in here. So all of your previous trades up until this date will not have an account added. So that will have to be added in order to make sure that all of your trades are in the correct account and are showing the correct way. You can do it with your closed trades as well. So if you tap here, you'll see the summary. You can see the account is listed here at the top. If you go to edit trade, you'll also have that account where you can choose from. All right. Now, the next thing is under the goals. If you tap on goals, you still have the selector here, and you can see I had 3 accounts. However, only 2 accounts are showing here. That's because there are only these 2 accounts that have goals associated with them. So if you tap on the add goals icon down here at the bottom right, you select the month that you want to add your goal, and then you select the account that you want to add, your starting balance, and your goal percentage, and then that should now show up here. So you can see this is just an example, the Roth and versus my personal. All right, so nothing should change on the cost basis, but everything else, it looks like it should be working properly. And so this is going to be available on both the basic and the premium version of the app. So if you want to get your copy of the app, there's a 30-day free trial. The link is down in the description, and you can go ahead and let me know how it's working for you. And in the meantime, if you have any questions about the app or about trading options in general, go ahead and leave a comment down below, catch me on Twitter, and also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can keep up with all of the updates. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.